You hit send and that email goes directly to your contact. There is no algorithm to keep up with. There is no changes you have to worry about. It goes straight from your platform to their inbox. There's no middleman that determines who's going to see that email, how they're going to see it, when they're going to see it. It's a direct link from you to your customer. And these days where the markets are so saturated and people are bombarded with information, it's important for us as business owners to make sure that we have that direct line of contact between us and the people that we're serving. Hey girl, I'm Margaret McGriff and I am a marketing coach, and I work with working moms who are struggling to grow their side businesses, gain back their time, ditch the mommy guilt, and finally grow their business. I'm excited to talk about one of my favorite marketing topics is email marketing. Now, contrary to popular belief, email marketing is not dead. As a matter of fact, with all the different changes going on, with Instagram changing its algorithm and Facebook changing up every day, all day, email marketing is one of the few marketing tools that have stayed consistent. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why you should have an email strategy. So the first reason why we should all, as mommy business owners, have email marketing strategy is because with email, you own your contacts and you own your data. So what do I mean by that? When you post on Facebook, you sell a product on Amazon, or you're on Instagram, there is no way for you to know who's buying your product, when they bought it, how they found you, and all that wonderful stuff. Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, none of those platforms release that data to you because, privacy reasons. With email marketing, on the other hand, you actually own that data. So when someone signs up for a free gift, a freebie, a training, a course, a webinar, a coupon code, that data gets stored on your email platform provider's database, and that database is yours, meaning that you know who that person is, their first name, last name, their address if you ask for it, their favorite color if you ask for it, whatever information you need to do your marketing better and to learn more about who's buying from you, who's interested in your services. All of that can be accomplished with email marketing. So that's why it's super important to have that as a strategy, so that way you don't have to worry about losing those contacts or losing that information because you own it. You can even take it with you. So let's say if you were on MailChimp and you wanted to switch to Constant Contact or ConvertKit or any one of those other platforms, you can just download the spreadsheet and import those contacts into that new platform. So that's one of the wonderful things about email marketing is you can really track that data. You know who's buying from you, you know who's interested, and you can do so many marketing things with that data. The second reason why your business needs an email marketing strategy is because email cuts out the middleman. The middleman meaning an algorithm, a platform, a third-party service. It cuts out that middleman. No one decides who sees your email but you and the person that you sent that email to, right? With Instagram, with Facebook, with Amazon, you have to buy ads at this point for everyone who's following you or interested in you to see what content you're serving, whether it's a blog post, a video, a freebie, a discount, a sale, what have you, right? With email marketing, you hit send and that email goes directly to your contact. There is no algorithm to keep up with. There is no changes you have to worry about. It goes straight from your platform to their inbox. There's no middleman that determines who's going to see that email, how they're going to see it, when they're going to see it. It's a direct link from you to your customer. And these days where the markets are so saturated and people are bombarded with information, it's important for us as business owners to make sure that we have that direct line of contact between us and the people that we're serving. So that's a major reason why email marketing should be part of your overall marketing strategy for your side business. And finally, the third reason why email should be part of your overall marketing strategy is because people still read emails. I know, it's crazy. We thought that people are just don't want to see our emails, they don't want to hear from us, but the numbers don't lie. Check these stats out real quick. According to a 2021 survey from Constant Contact, which is a major email platform, email is used by over 4 billion people worldwide. 61% of consumers actually enjoy receiving promo emails. 60% of consumers said in this survey that they've actually bought something as a result of a marketing email they got in their inbox, as opposed to only 12.5% of buyers who clicked on that little buy button on a social media post actually took that step. So this kind of all goes back to the first 2 points. The first one, you know who the person is, because when you have their email information, you know who they are, what they're interested in, and you can talk directly to them in a way that is interesting for them and that piques their interest or serves them or nurtures them or answers their questions. And then 2, there's no middleman. So there's no algorithm that determines who is going to see that email, and there's no like second step, right? Just think about it. When you're on Facebook, that person has to be on Facebook. They have to see your post, hopefully. Then they have to go click on a link that takes them someplace else, and then they have to go and buy. Whereas if you have the email, you present all that information, they click the button, they're good to go. And platforms like ConvertKit allow you to sell directly from that email, which is also super cool if you have products that are part of your business. So the numbers don't lie. People still read email, people buy from emails. It's all about how you construct those emails, how do you use that information that's off the contact list, what kind of freebies, videos, services, trainings that you offer to have people sign up for your emails. All of that is part of a successful marketing strategy. And if you want to learn more about how to do that, if you've dabbled in email and you're like, I have no clue exactly how this works, but you just don't have time, and as a working mom, I totally get it, right? We are working full time, we are trying to take care of our kids, and we are trying to build this business, right? So if time is one of the reasons that's stopping you from jumping into email and getting an email strategy together, I want you to check out this free training that I have that's all about how to make more time to market your business. I give you my top 3 tips that help me ditch the overwhelm, stop being frustrated and stressed out, and get really laser focused on the things that were going to grow my coaching business and my book business while I work a full-time job and be a single mom to 2 gorgeous little girls, right? So if you go down in the description below, you click that button, you're going to get that training delivered directly to your inbox, right? There is no Facebook post you got to go to. There's no Instagram post that you happen to see. It's going to be delivered directly to you. So sign up on that link in the caption below, and then after that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have so many more great things coming your way. I'm going to be talking about Instagram. I'm going to be talking about Facebook, time management, all the things to make sure that you have all the tools that you need to grow your side business while you're working full time and while you're taking care of your families, all right? So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you know when you'll be notified when a new video drops, and I will be chatting with you soon. Bye.